Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will solve left rotation problem in Aconite data structure set of problems. And in this problem we are here given an array, and after applying some number of rotations we have to print that array. So what is left rotation and how to apply it? Let's see. So for example, here this is an array on which we have to apply the rotations, and let's say we have to apply 2 rotations here. So when d is equals to 1 means with the first rotation, okay, left rotation is nothing but to shift every element to the left. So when this element, the first element of array, moves left, it means it will go here at the end of the array. So with first rotation, this one goes here, then this 2 takes place here, and similarly the other elements, and this is our array after first rotation. So for d is equals to 2 means for the second rotation our array is going to be so this element goes here at the last of the element, like 2 is going to be here, then 3 takes place of 2, 3 is going to be here, and similarly the other elements, and this is our array after 2 rotations, and we have to print this array. So one way to solve this problem is using loops. We can use nested loops to solve this problem, but I am going to tell you the shorter way, because using loops it will consume more times, which is a time complexity issue if you know it. So I am going to tell you another way to solve this problem. So as you can see, we here for the first rotation, this array can be represented as array from 1 till end of the array plus array from 0 to 1. Here 1 is nothing but d, the number of rotations. Similarly, every array can be represented like this. So this is the solution that we are going to apply. So this is our solution in the code. Now just submit it. And it passes all the test cases. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.